Hey guys, the camera is working. It dried out since Thursday. We are at Krushuna Waterfalls resort. It's a national resort near Lovech in Bulgaria, and it's awesome.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I'm on a horse.
What I want and what I needed are different things to me. I wanna drink and raise the ceiling.
I'm with Lora, but she's really shy.
Hi guys, I'm really shy. We're going to visit Krushuna Waterfalls. Did you know that they're placed in the northern parts of Bulgaria? Now you know. The highest waterfall is about 20 meters high, and another interesting thing that there is a monastery from the 13th or 14th century.
This summer, out on the beach, feel the sand between my feet. In the hot heat, nowhere to go. Watch the waves as they just roll on repeat.
The path is closed, but there's an incredible view from here. Oh, I had to show it to you. Look at that. This is the waterfall. We're gonna go there in a bit.
Obviously, I'm going to be part of this video all the time, even though I don't want it all.
Always forget that I have a backpack on.
Soaking up all of the sun now, play that song over again. Feel the heat like 100 degrees. Soaking up all of the sun now, play that song over again. Feel the heat like 100 degrees. In the summer, play that song over again.
It's weird that the forbidden path has more stairs than the regular path. Okay, I guess they have like a whole section of the waterfalls closed. Maybe due to the heavy rains there was some flooding and some things broke, because look at that bridge over there. Oops, look at that. I'm gonna have to show it like that. Look at that bridge over there, it's all busted up. So let's go walk on it.
In the summer, play that song over again. The summer. The summer. Driving around, roll the windows and the top down. The sky on fire. Totally free, make the music even louder. Getting higher. Soaking up all of the sun now, play that song over again. Feel the heat like 100 degrees. Soaking up all of the sun now, play that song over again. Feel the heat like 100 degrees. In the summer, play that song over again. In the summer.
guys. Oh. Yeah. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get closer. I love me some waterfalls, and this is by far one of the best in Bulgaria. It's a national resort, so we're not allowed to really be up where we are, but we are dissidents. Me and this one.
Still shy. Hi guys! Very important to eat before going out, because otherwise you might not enjoy it as much as you can if you eat. Because you will be starving and then you will be dizzy like me now. And you will need someone like this guy here to help you all the time.
Aww.
Did you eat today?
Yes.
Are you drinking water?
No.
That's not healthy.
I have to be reversed so that the sign will be proper. You see what I did there with the transition? Going to the table and then coming out of my hand. We are about to enter the Devetashka cave, which is where the Expendables 2 scene with the plane that crashes into the cave. It was shot here. This movie was really funny for us Bulgarians because they would film Bulgarians talking about stuff and then translate them with whatever they needed them to say. So it would, most of the time, what the English subtitles read and what the Bulgarians said had
Nothing in common.
nothing in common, yeah.
Dan, I'm not that tall.
It's a tunnel inside a cave. It's a water inside the cave. Okay, so we are in the cave, but because there's a population of bats living inside, we're not allowed to go further in. But it's either way, it's getting pitch black from here on, so yeah, that's as far as we go.